So before I mow my new lawn, or my slightly germinated seeds, that took a little bit, so there wasn't a great deal of germination, but I do want to actually cut my blades. I did notice when I was cutting that a lot of clip-ins were blowing everywhere outside the bottom of the deck, and then I did hit a few stones. Dethatching process definitely brought up a few, and there was a lot of clunk, and I also inspected some of the grass, and it was kind of shredded. It was almost like being torn. So I'm going to sharpen the blades, and to sharpen the blades I'm going to use a DIY kit. It's called Grizzly Long Gear. It's from Amazon. Yes, Amazon, yes. Comes with 3 sharpening stones, a balancer, and a pair of gloves, gardening gloves. So we'll see how that goes. So I've got one blade off. I'm going to see if I can sharpen it. If not, I'll just buy new blades. They're not too expensive. These blades do look a little bit older, so I'll get the blades off and then we'll see how this sharpening stone kit works. The benefits: it's apparently got heavy duty sharpening stone, premium precision guide, and I can install it in 5 seconds. I'm guessing it goes onto my drill. Apparently it'll sharpen the blades in under 10 minutes. Okay, we'll see how that goes then. So, in the box, it comes with 1, 2, 3 sharpening stones, a little balancer, important, and the gloves. Yeah, so one has got a little instruction guide, so I'll have a quick read through that and then we'll sharpen these blades. Before I start sharpening the blade, I do want to see how well it is balanced, so I'm going to use this little thing, and not too bad actually. That is if my floor is level, which I believe it is. So I've got a starting point, so then I can start working on grinding it back from there and sharpening it down. Now, a vise would be the best thing to hold one in, or blade in. I don't have a vise, so I kind of makeshift one here, and I want to basically run the drill very lightly. Here I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure. I want to have this back plate level with the blade, roughly, so it's going to get stuck, and then I'll slowly move up and down until I get a nice clean edge on the other side. Now, it's very important when you're doing this that you do remember your safety glasses. A few sparks there. I think I was pushing a little bit too hard, so I just eased off a little bit. Now, let's see how level this is. I'm just going to open up the garage door here. I would say that's pretty level. Yeah, that's level enough. We'll take the other side off and we'll sharpen that and then get to mowing. This is my little setup I have going on here for the mower. Car jack there, some blocks underneath. I'm not really going underneath, so it's fine. Just put my arm under, so it is safe, but enough, kind of. So I'll get the other one off and then we'll move on. Both blades are sharpened, balanced, and they're back on. Now I did say about 10 minutes on the side of the box. That's all it would take to complete this job, and yeah, I think it was about 10 minutes. It probably took me about 10 minutes to get the blades off. There was one on the right hand side, it was a little bit of an angle, and somebody had kind of chewed up the thread on the nut, so I'll replace that when I do some maintenance over the winter. I'm going to have to replace those blades. They are kind of chewed up a little bit. I don't know how old they are. I'm just going to put new blades on them and for the spring. So I have good blades on there to do a little bit of work on the mower itself as well. So I'll do it all together over the winter. So when it comes to spring, it's all good to go. But for now, they'll be good enough. They were cutting the grass enough beforehand, but just with this new grass growing now, I do want to have good blades. So I'll go ahead and cut it and see how it goes. And what a difference sharp blades make to the cut. I mean, they're still not great. You can still see here, still not cutting very well, but it is cutting better. I guess for $10, not great. I mean, the blades aren't in great shape, so I couldn't expect anything major, so I'm going to replace them. I'll probably do that for the spring. I think they're good enough for now to keep cutting this. A couple other things about the lawnmower, so I'll just do it all at one time, but our 10-minute sharpening work. That wasn't too bad actually. Better cut. I'm not missing as much, there's not as much blowout. There definitely is still some blowout from the blades, but I don't know if that's anything to do with them being sharp or not. So when I get new blades, I'll see if they work a little bit better. But for now, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please, consider subscribing. I've got a lot more coming. Watch some more videos that I've got out, and comment, make any suggestions you think are fit, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.